Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Want to Step. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to log in and log out of Google Hangout. Google Hangout is a cross-platform messaging app developed by Google. To log into Google Hangouts, tap on the application, log in with your Google account, enter your credentials first, and tap on the next button. On the next page, enter your password for your Google account. If you want to double check your password, then tap on Show Password box and reveal the password in order to check it. In case you forgot the password, tap on Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset your Google password. After you enter your Google credentials, tap on the next button at the bottom right corner. Agree to the Google's terms of services and policy by tapping on I agree, and you'll be logged into Google Hangout. Google Hangouts is a cross-platform messaging app developed by Google. Originally a feature of Google+, Hangouts became a standalone product in 2013 when Google also began integrating features from the Google+ Messenger and Google Talks into Hangouts. Now, in order to log out of Google Hangouts, tap on the hamburger menu at the upper left corner, tap on the drop-down menu. After you do that, tap on Manage Accounts. And in order to log out of your Google Hangouts, you'll need to log out of your Google account altogether. So simply tap on your account and tap on Remove Account in order to log out. From the pop-up, select Remove Account, tap on OK. You'll need to verify your identity in order to do so. You can scan your fingerprint in my case, or you can use your PIN. Just like that, you have been logged out of your Google Hangout application. In order to sign in back, you'll need to sign in with your Google account credentials again. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.